Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, network access and sudo or root privileges. Once confirmed, backup shell configs in your home directory and system profiles. This prevents accidental loss. Now, open a terminal and run apt update, then reinstall the shell package with sudo apt install reinstall bash. You do this to restore broken binary files and default settings. Make sure to note errors printed to the console. If bash is not your shell, substitute the package name accordingly and proceed to the next step. Once bash is reinstalled, you check configuration files for syntax errors that break startup. Use sed or nano to look for unclosed quotes or malformed exports. If unsure, move RC files to a backup name and open a fresh shell. Next, explicitly set path to standard system directories so commands run predictably. Export path equals the full list. You do this because a wrong path often makes terminals appear broken. After that, source system profiles to test. Source/etc/profile, and then test common commands like ls and sudo. To finish, selectively restore custom lines from your backups, testing the shell after each change so you isolate the offending configuration. If the graphical terminal still fails, switch to a virtual console with Ctrl-Alt-F3 and log in there. This separates display issues from shell problems. When things go wrong, inspect system logs with journoctl-z and /var/log/syslog for permission denials or segmentation faults. If a package caused the issue, use apt purge and reinstall or restore from your.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.